Hi, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. So today I am making a completely unplanned video of peanut powder or peanut or danes of food. And here I have taken some roasted peanuts. I have roasted them in microwave, also in my air fryer lid. So I'll add that video also in the description box. So I'm going to show you this peanut powder two ways. One is going to be, I will be using it for sabudana khichadi or other Vrat items, and the other one I'm going to show you, we are going to use it for chutneys. So I'm using my magic bullet here. So I'm just going to pulse it. We are not going to make it like in a really powdery form. I just pulsed it 4 to 5 times, and we have this coarse powder ready. And this I can use for my Vrat items and for my sabudana khichadi. And I'm going to take more peanuts and I'm going to powder it for my chutneys. So our two different powders are ready. This is the coarse powder and this is really soft. This can be used for my chutneys, for stuffed eggplant or any other veggies also, along with Vrat items. And this is the coarse one. Hope you like this video. If you like it, just like, share, comment and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.